Hello everybody and welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. Hope you guys are having a lovely day. Let us know in the comment section what you guys have been up to. We'd really like to know. You guys for the run up to Christmas. Hope you guys got everything planned. But right here at the...
Morning!
Morning.
I'm finding socks, sorry. One moment.
Un momento. I'm going to call it the Krispysmore household. We are in the process of getting ready to go out. We're going to send off some packages to some friends. We've still got a few more packages to send, but we have to get them sorted out as soon as possible, because obviously if you know the post office in the UK, we've got a deadline to hit and we can't miss that deadline, because our friends have got to get these packages. So we're going to be doing that. I've got work later on this afternoon, so you may see me for a little bit and then Steph will continue the rest of the vlog.
Well, I'm at work too.
Well, I know you work too, but
I'm at work.
I'm at work as well. So post office done?
That was busy.
That was really busy. That was mental. But it is always at Christmas, babe. Always at Christmas, but we're going to always.
But we beat it.
Yeah.
We're good.
Look at these trees, so beautiful. So they do these little mini pancakes with different fillings on top, like Oreo, Nutella, marshmallows, Kinder Bueno, Smarties, and then they got a baked cherry there as well. Yeah, red cherry sauce.
Oreo.
Oreo. Yo. We got gourmet burgers, pork, chicken or beef. Different types. Good. Ooh, look good, don't they? Those are weird in that container. They look like little pillows.
Mango lassi though.
Mango lassi.
Oh look, an extra large samosa there. Ooh,
There's
an indie roll.
There's a lot of stuff in here that we're interested in this. This sounds really good. Sounds up our street. Every Christmas market is the German sausage section, and then Steph noticed the mulled wine with rum. If found, return to the pub, and it's the penguins from Madagascar. Looking in Poundland, and they have a scented candle, advent candle from Airwick. And you basically get mulled wine, winter wonderland, and some winter berries. 24 tea lights.
Pretty good.
Hello everybody, back from town. That was mental. Town was busy, and lo and behold it's got really dark now. Just been doing some work, did a live stream as well, and yeah, I'm really feeling like I need a bath right now. And I thought to myself, I will show you what kind of things that I bought from the Body Shop the other day, because it's falling off my arm. It's falling off my arm. Because remember when I was saying to you the other day that I didn't really buy anything from Lush and it was only Body Shop stuff that I got? Well, I actually smelt these and these smelt really amazing. So I have got the Body Shop Vanilla Marshmallow Bubble Bath, which smells very, very yummy. Very vanilla-y and very creamy sort of thing. It's very nice. And then this one, which was a peppermint candy cane shower gel. And I've already been using this anyway. It smells so incredibly amazing. And I do still have my Christingle that I got from last year, which is still perfectly fine. And I've also got the Lord of Misrule as well. So I didn't really need to buy anything from Lush like this year. So yeah, I'm going to go and run myself a bath. I think that is definitely a smart move. So I'm going to go and try this out. And I'm very excited. Ooh, bubbles, bubbles! Right, I'm going to go in and enjoy that and just relax for a bit. I've got my onesie on and I'm going to go on a You Now Live looking like this. Why not? I think I'll paint this as well. I think I might do this as well while I'm live. I think I'm going to make a cup of tea as well because I feel awful. I will not get defeated by this cold. Ooh, what's all this? What's this? I remember playing with stuff like this when I was a kid. Synthetic gum. Okay. It looks like candy. It looks like sweets. But obviously it's paint. Okay. This is wrapped up well. I can't seem to get into it because it's sellotaped quite tightly. Oh, there we go. Look at him. He looks like he should be in Night at the Museum. Gum gum dum dum. Oh, that looks like teeth. Okay, all right. Let's paint this. Look at him. Doesn't he look amazing? I did that all by myself. I had the chat behind me as well. They saw it and they witnessed it that I did it all by myself. So I'm gonna put glitter on his hat now because you know he needs some glitter. Everyone's saying hi. Well, Lee's saying Pritt Stick, but oh no, he's not saying hi. Hello everybody. Isn't he the cutest, everybody? Isn't he the cutest? I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of myself. Look, he's so amazing. And thank you so much to everybody who chatted with us over on YouNow. If you're not on YouNow, you should come over. Best way to do it is if you download the app, or you can use your computer as well. This is not sponsored, by the way. Yeah, you search for YouNow. You can download the app, or you can search for it on the internet. And if you just search Krispysmore, or if you follow us on our social medias, it will automatically pop up to say that we're live. And yeah, you come over and have a chat with us. It's completely free. And we have fun. We do random things like this. And wear onesies. So I'm going to put him over here with the rest of the... Oh no, his little thing just fell off. Oh, come back, come back. There. Oh, no. Go on. Come on. Work with me. Work with me. There we go. It's back on. So there we go. He can sit with the elves, which the hats are falling off. But there we go. And the dinosaur as well.
Hello everybody. I am back from work. Steffi is ill. Steffi is sleepy.
We're under this light again. Is this the real light?
But
Is it just
fantasy.
We're wearing onesies.
We're onesies, yeah. I feel quite snug in this.
Snug as a bug in a rug.
Yeah, indeed. But we are, I am going to be doing the advent calendar because I need to catch up because Steffi's been on top of it more than I have. So I need to get on with it. What's the date? The day is the 10th, am I correct?
Yeah.
Number 10. I didn't do that.
Yes, you did.
Do that again. Look what you did. Right, number 10. So I'm going to put you here.
Oh,
I
there?
thought, yeah, kind of balances out.
Okay, I'm joking.
Are you questioning my choices?
You.
Right, and we've got to continue with our other advent calendar. Yes, I know everybody. Everyone has been saying in the comments that I haven't been wrapping it. Things will change. I can promise you that.
Will it?
Yes, they will change. I've been doing a lot of hours of work. It's been very, very troubling.
So have I.
I know you. I'm not saying you haven't. I'm just saying
what are you trying to say? Someone just can't multitask. That's all it is.
I am a man. I can't multitask. I'm terrible.
There's many men out there who can easily multitask.
I'm sure there is.
Better than me, actually.
I'm sure there is. Let us know in the comment section if you're good at multitasking. We'd love to know. But
anyhow,
you have to sit down and I have to give you your...
I have to close my eyes.
Yes.
And pretend that I'm unwrapping something.
Yeah, you do. Hands out.
Can I have one hand?
This is the first one.
Oh my gosh, it feels...
This is the first one. Everyone can see this first before Steffi can see it.
A pea protein smooth coffee.
Coffee. Protein coffee.
Protein coffee. Oh, you have definitely thrown a curveball in here.
Oh yes, I have.
This is coffee.
Coffee.
I mean, yeah, it does say smooth coffee, obviously.
Smooth coffee.
How does one...
Look at all the stuff on the back.
How does one make said coffee?
I think it's like an instant coffee, I think.
Oh.
I think.
Okay. Liking that. All right.
You weren't expecting that, were you?
I wasn't, no.
Ah.
I've never tried pea protein. Pea as in pea. Before you guys start giggling, it's pea as in pea vegetable.
Ready for the next one?
Go on.
I've gone for a safe one because I know you like this sort of stuff. Before I have a go at me, but still.
Is it food again?
Could be.
Fig roll.
Figgity rolls.
These remind me of my nan.
I know, that's why
I love my nan so much. God rest her soul.
It's fig rolls.
Oh, my little nan. I miss her. You're gonna make me cry. I'll have these with my cup of tea and remember my nan.
Yeah.
I love her so much.
Or you can have coffee. You have coffee.
With my coffee.
Have your coffee.
No, my nan will be looking down on me going, what are you doing? You have to have a tea.
Okay.
That's what she'll be doing.
Sorry,
so.
Nan. Sorry, Nan.
You've made me cry. Because
Sorry.
he's given me fig rolls.
Oh, let me get mine.
Right, time for him. Time for him to find his parcel.
10, 20, 10.
10.
I think I know what this could be.
What could it be, though?
Socks. Another pair of Christmassy socks.
Yeah, it means you get to have another pair of socks. A pair of socks, Dave, that are matching.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not mismatched like me normally.
No.
Thank you.
Sorry, do you like my onesie, by the way? I've had this for a good few years.
Yeah.
I'm loving it.
This is a cute mini.
I'm loving it. Gonna wrap it up for today. Hope you enjoyed it. You know all the usual. You know, if you like it, give it a like. You know, if you don't like it, just give it a dislike. It's all groovy. If you want to, if you've not already, you can subscribe if you want to, and you can click that bell button as well, so you're notified when we bring out another video. Like
tomorrow.
Way.
Hey.
So guys, in the meantime, have a wonderful day or night, whatever you are doing, and we'll see you
on the next one.
Hey.